What's up guys, James from Jeeping Adventure. Today we're headed out to Uwharrie. We're all packed up, ready to go, so we're going to have a good time. Some of the guys are already down there at the campsite, so can't wait to meet up with them. It's going to be a damn good weekend. Hopefully I don't break.
Snapped on my Liberty bibs, what a Levi Garrett packed between my lip and my gum. America. Got mud kicking off of my Red Wing boots, sweat stained tank top, and my foot leather loops keep it tucked. America. We're back to back undefeated World War champs. So take a cup, raise it up for my Uncle Sam. You know we sent a man to the moon, and before we're done, yeah, we'll probably send a man to the sun. America. Got a 12-gauge ribbon on my gun rack. Stars and stripes flying high off of the back of my truck. Of course it's 4x4, America. Buck Antlers, Colonel Sanders, General Lee, home of the brave and land of that and country girls, America. Yeah, we're back to back undefeated World War champs. Take a cup, raise it up for my Uncle Sam. You know we sent a man to the moon, and before we're done, yeah, we'll probably send a man to the sun. America. Buck. Truck. Chuck. Norris. Allegiance to the flag, America. I crack a cold one and tip it on back to America. I got a right to bear arms for my barbed wire tab in America. I'm gonna warn you if you try to attack America. That we're back to back undefeated World War champs. Take a cup, raise it up for my Uncle Sam. And there's about a zillion reasons to love where I'm from, but all you really gonna need is one. America. That's right, America. USA. We invented mud tires, aluminum cans, and freedom. I'm from America, how about you? Got that right. In 1776, Uncle Sam, his bald eagle, found Lady Liberty in her Rocky Mountains. They knocked boots, yelled yee yee, and boom, there it was. Just like that, America was born. I'm Earl Dibbles Jr., I approve this message. Yee yee!
Send it! Come on, James, send it!
Getting it!
My lip with a fistful of skull. 12 gauge cock, shift down low. Bounce mud tars like a bass on a pole. Up ahead, something ain't right. It ain't a deer in my KC lights. Oh, sweet Jesus, a city boy priest, slinging up mud. So I started singing, hey, city boy stuff. He's worthless as a 1-point buck. He never heard of a 4-wheel drive. Now he's spinning, 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 spinning them tires. Hey, city boy stuff. Penny lovers didn't bring no love. Should have thrown a rope? No, hell no, not me. I'm rolling on by. Back and forth, the mud got thicker. Kicked good dirt on his Democrat sticker. Running his mouth, getting all pissed. Well, you should have bought a car that you don't plug in. I got a shotgun, riding shotgun, no room to give him a lift. I pull over, crack a Cohen on his shoulder, and put in another dip. And yell, hey, city boy stuff. He's worthless as a 1-point buck. Never heard of a 4-wheel drive. Now he's spinning, 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 spinning them tires. Hey, city boy stuff. Penny lovers didn't bring no love. Should I throw him a rope? No, hell no, not me. I'm rolling on by. Hey, city boy, I'm Earl Bush Jr. I'm a country boy. You're a long way from town to be running your mouth. See them smooth tires spinning like that? That's why we use nothing but mud tires, 4x4. You got your hair slicked back in your skinny jeans, collar popped up, and your car's itty bitty. Better turn around and go back to the city. You can pop back clutch, you can pop back collar. I'ma pop this top while I holler. You can pop back clutch, you can pop back collar. I'ma pop this top while I holler. Hey, city boy stuff. He's worthless as a 1-point buck. Never heard of a 4-wheel drive. Now he's spinning, 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 spinning them tires. Hey, city boy stuff. Penny lovers didn't bring no love. Should I throw him a rope? No, hell no, not me. I'm rolling on by. He don't put a good dip in, don't crack a cold one, don't fix a tree, don't rope stuff, don't shoot the gun, barbed wire tattoo, don't even go all the way around.
I've done most of these runs, but no, the other way. The ledge is kind of hit me. I'm just kind of off the end of it. Good job. Just make sure that tire's on that left rock. Yeah.
What,
Might have to
baby?
back it up a little.
Nah, 'cause I'm about to ride up with him.
There you go, you're good.
Was she just being noisy? Do you love me? Do you miss me? What? Oh. How much do you love me?
No. Alright, so we're headed to the mud pit right now. It's going to be fun. We did all the trails. We're going to do a night run later, but some of the guys want to go get a little muddy. Personally, I didn't, so I'm riding with old Caroline here. Yeah. Make sure you check out his Instagram and it's his YouTube also. It's brand new, so same with me, you know, just subscribe. We'll be doing a lot of videos probably together. We are always together wheeling and having a good time, so make sure you check out both of us for more wheeling videos. And this right here, guys, is how you fuck up a JK, just going in circles. It's like NASCAR. Keep doing it.
I'm doing it. That was so muddy, bro. So muddy.
Oh my gosh, the detonator right here is all muddy.
Water.
Look at that.
Nothing.
It's all water.
Hey, Dan.
It's all water.
I know,
No
right?
more mud. Alright, so that was a fail. They filled in the mud hole, so no one got to have any fun. We're going to go ahead and head on back to camp, have some steaks up from the campfire, and then probably do a night run. So here we go, back to camp.
Whoa! You spill your drink?
Well, the weekend's gone, I'm still drinking. Got a couple of smokes and this bottle keeps on leaking. When the sun comes up, know it's over. Well, the week is coming, I don't wanna get sober. Well, Friday came and Saturday went, Sunday night, and I'm still bent. This weekend surely got a load on me. With a bottle of scotch and a deck of cards, partying every night on hopping balls. This life I lives on the edge of insanity.
Trip to Uwharrie, it was a lot of fun. Nothing crazy broke, just a couple minor little things. Jeep didn't even get muddy, so that's always nice. We're almost done packing up, and we'll be heading home. We've got about a 5-hour drive, so make sure to subscribe. We're gonna keep on dropping more videos wheeling, maybe some how-to stuff like that, so subscribe so you can keep on watching them. Have a good one.